Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the euro yen, I'm still looking at this as an uptrend for sure. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even see any reason to see the wave 3 is over. I don't see any lower high. I don't see any break of structure. I don't really see like a big engulfing move at a fib level. I personally think this is still going up to either retest this fib extension or possibly even go up to the next fib extension before we get that big wave 4 and another push up for the wave 5. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly. Weekly time frame, I mean, this definitely was a strong move down, but it never broke and held below structure. I personally think the trend is still up, and it's either going to go up and retest this level or go up to the next level. And I still think we're in a wave 3. Now, this could be a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave 3, but I don't think that the wave 3 is even over on the higher time frames. Just like I was showing, I think we need to end the wave 3, then make the big wave 4, and then make the big wave 5. So going down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, I am calling this an ABC. It looks almost like a motor wave crescent, but I mean it is definitely kind of a 1, 2, 3 pattern. You could kind of argue that this is 3, 4, 5 with just a higher low for the wave 5, but either way, I am definitely still bullish. I think there's a very good likelihood this is going to keep on going up. I would definitely keep an eye on the 78% fib for an area of resistance. You know, it could be a very likely area for a bounce, but definitely still looking for longs on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, I think we have the end of a crescent right here, possibly the end of a wave 4. Now, we have to be careful because this is kind of a trend. So this could always turn into an A, a B, and a C. I always try to look at both sides of the coin so that way I'm not surprised. So if this does go up and give it a big bounce off the 100% Fibonacci extension, give a break of structure, I would definitely get out of my longs and I would even consider going short because at that point it probably would be an A, B, and a C. Maybe like a wave 4, wave 3 on the higher time frames. But I still believe that's the least likely scenario. I still believe that, yeah, it may bounce from a fib level, but it probably will not break structure. It will most likely continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely consider still be looking for longs. The only thing that would turn me into a buyer is if I saw a big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure. If I do see a break of structure to the downside, I mean, I will turn into a seller, that is. I am definitely still looking for buys. Even if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, unless it goes down and breaks structure, I'm definitely still going to be looking for buys at the end of pullbacks, just like we have been doing for the last few weeks now. Like I said, I think there's a really good chance that it will keep on making higher highs, higher lows based on the daily and weekly time frame, especially, which is why, unless I see a major break of structure to the downside, I am definitely looking for buys at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.